Hello friends, welcome to the channel Invest in Yourself. Let's see today's my trade. Okay, today I have traded in butterfly stock, and I have gained almost rupees 511 rupees, and I have taken another trade in Cosmo Films, but hmm, it has gone into a pullback after in afternoon session, so I have been holding this trade. Okay, the logic in butterfly trade is just all-time high breakout, and I have taken the advantage of almost 2 to 3% in the trade, and I have gained a amount of almost 500 rupees. Okay, and let's see. And the reason I taken Cosmo Films is, I will explain that also. See, I have two stocks today actually, Century Plywood and Cosmo Films. Actually, what I thought is the Century Plywood is small stock, so it may move very slowly. So that's why I thought it may not move that much. So let's go for Cosmo Films. But what happened is just my analysis got wrong. As you can see, I have been trying my orders since, I think, from here. I will show you that. Wait a minute. In orders book, as you can see here, Century Plywood not rejected orders. See the cancelled order, yeah, this one from 9:32 a.m. I have kept a buy order at almost 413 rupees. I have been showing my cursor there, 413 rupees. It's been up to 413.20, but what I did is I have cancelled that order, and I have entered in Cosmo Films as the price action showing that it may break down. It may break out today's high, and not only today's high, it also breaking out the all-time high. So that's why I have taken the trade somewhere here in the morning session. But what it has done is, as you can see, it has reversed in the afternoon session. Okay, so that's why sometimes it may feel bad. I am also feeling bad that I should have taken in Century Plywood. I would have been in 1,000 rupees of profit, but sometimes it happens. It's a stock market, it's also like business. Okay, so we should not bother about that, just we should do our whatever the process it may be. Okay, and let's see the some of the stocks for tomorrow. First, see Laurus Labs. I will take into 1 day chart actually, so that you can see the actual price action. As you can see, the today's volume is very nice. I am expecting a same candle tomorrow also, as it has broken all-time high and closed very strongly. We should always see the closing of the candle. Okay, if the candle is closing near high, the candle is very strong, so that we may take some advantage and capture 2 to 3%. Okay, and next stock is, I was saying about the KEI Industries. Here also same, but here the sum of consolidation is going on actually. If it breaks the high of 628, actually I mostly don't care the shadows, so that if it consolidates, we can take the trade. But here what's the problem is that 20 exponential moving average is very far, so that it is my concern. If 20 MA is very far, I won't feel safe to take the trade, as it may lead to a pullback. And I have ordered Delta Crop, because if the lockdown restrictions are being somewhat cool down, if lockdown is restrictions has lifted, the stock will gain very much, as it's running in Goa. If the lockdown removes in Goa, the stock will almost runs like anything. If anyone for 3 to 6 months short term gains, anyone is waiting, they can look out for the stock. Okay, and it has also broken the resistance actually, so we may aim for the all time high in few months. And Graphite India, it's a EV theme stock. Actually, it is near the all time high. I was thinking that it may break all time high tomorrow itself, and it may move further up to 4 to 5%, as there is a theme for the stock. You can see that it has gained from almost 200 to 700 within 6 months of gap, so there might be a gains tomorrow, or we can also hold it for short term gains. But every time remember, in metal stocks or commodity stocks, if the reversal starts, it it tend to lose more. If the gain short also, it gives more returns. We should see the opportunity and we should take the trade. And next one is the Avanti feed. Actually, Avanti feed, we can see it's being facing resistance from the same levels for months actually, as you can see. Yeah, this is the one. You can reject this shadows. Look out for the body only. Actually, I have been seeing resistance at here because the body is also very, I mean, red candle. You can see here, right? This red candle. I may feel, I am feeling that the sellers are sitting very tight in this range. If it may break, I mean the 550 range breaks, you can expect a move until 590 also. It's a very good opportunity. And next one is Kalpataru Power. It's actually going in 90 degree. Never chase a stock in 90 degree, but I have suggesting this because we can capture within the intraday and come out. Don't hold the stocks for delivery in 90 degree. I mean whenever the stock is raising like this in 90 degree way. So if you can take the advantage, only take in intraday and get out of the stock with profit or loss itself. Okay guys, these are some of the stock, and this is the update about my today's trade. If you like the video, please do like and comment and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.